J&G Auto Reconditioning. Had a customer bring in their Carrera 4 chalk. We did a OptiCoat Pro Plus on this a while back. It's about 6 months ago, and he just brought it in for us to do a maintenance wash on it and look it over. Let's come and check this out. He has the gloss black wheels. Looking good, not too bad. We just put some snow tires on there, so. All right, I'm gonna start it up, pull it outside, and get going. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the pressure washer, shoot it with foam, and then go from there. So with just a maintenance wash, this is fairly clean. It's a clean vehicle. All I'm gonna do a quick spray, 2-bucket method, wash it down, bring it in, look it over, do some spray shine on it, and call it good. That's it.
Who are those guys?
Guys, we just finished the wash. I'm gonna go and pull it in and wipe down. Check it out. Okay guys, I'm actually finished washing it. Everything's good, paint looks great. Okay, now I'm gonna top it off with its Hyper Seal. We're just gonna go ahead and hit the whole thing, windows, everything, call it good, send it on its way. Hey guys, so we just finished our maintenance wash on this Carrera 4, and it's all good. We're all done. We did a quick spray sealing on that Hyper Seal. Did the rims. We didn't quote the wheels. We're going to be selling a product that's a 60-day tire shine. Doesn't sling, good, lasts for 60 days. We did this about over 60. I want to say probably about 90 days ago, we did the wheels on these tires. They still great sheen, not going to do it. I'm going to send it on his way. And maybe next time when he comes out, I'll recoat them. But long story short, cart looks great. Again, thanks for watching. I'm Jamie with J&G Auto Reconditioning. If you're in the Salt Lake County or Salt Lake area, hit me up. My link will be in my bio. Leave a comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.